Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Education Times. Today I will show you how to upload Daraz product. Today I am upload a t-shirt, biker t-shirt. So at first I am write a title, pulsar full sleeve t-shirt, red. Now select product category. Now select fashion, men's clothing, casual tops, then continue. Now select your brand name. My shop name is SS World, that's why I am right. And main materials, select your materials, what types of clothing material, fabric. I am select synthetic or and cotton and continue. Its fit type, it's a regular fit, that's why I am select regular. You select slim me. Neckline select square, but it's my t-shirt neck is round, that's why I'm selecting round. Color types, it's V type, O type, shirt color. My t-shirt is O type, that's why I'm select O type. Select men's trend, modify, and you select what types of people choose this and wearing here. You select, I am select all and continue. Now sleeve, it's a full sleeve or half sleeve. I am select long sleeve. Now write your product highlights. It's t-shirt details, fabrics, synthetic and cotton, types round neck, GSM 165 and size ML/XL, and it's undefined. M means largest and chest, L means largest and chest, and XL means, and I am provide name and photo. And choose any photo. Now choose color. It's a red color, that's why I'm select red, right, red, and select photo. Obviously we are use not a single photo, I am use 4 photo, you use 8 photo, and this size between 500 and 2000 pixel inside, not more than 2000 and not less than 500 pixels. Select your size types. It's international size, that's why I am select international, and select in here what types of product in size in your store. M, L, XL. Create chest size, but I no need. This here price, and offering price, and select offer in a month such as 559 and select date 18 to 18 February, and choose and confirm. Quantity, I have 10 piece quantity, that's why I am select and seller SKU. I'm select my seller SKU. It's a M size, that's why I'm provide M. No free item. I have 3 size, that's why I'm select 3. It's L, it's XL. Inside here, price, and select offer price, and same as select date. Confirm it and select quantity, and select your seller SKU and provide in here in title and size. Now in your service, select your service. It's a warranty product. No, it's not a warranty product, that's why I'm no warranty. And its weight, it's a kg option, that's why I am select 0.1, I mean 100 gram, and select package diameter and choose 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and submit here. Look at this, my product is in my shop but it not visible. When Daraz approve this product, then it's provided tick mark. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.